Hi, today in front of me is Doogee X97 Pro and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So first let's open once again the Muviz application. Here we should select one from these available themes. For example, let's use this one. Tap to apply. To change backgrounds, you should slide to the up or to the down to select one from these available backgrounds which you like. If you want to hide music controls, just after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them, slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. To turn on or turn off notifications and calendar, we should use the switchers. And to show battery status always while charging or just to don't show it, select one from these available options. Click to go back to X icon, switch AOD to the settings, tap to always on display, and from here we could change shown on screen lock, the AOD option. While charging on music, we could use them separately, these two options, or just to stay with it always. To decrease or increase the brightness level, to change the timeout from 5 seconds to never, to change also low power after time, to change the screen orientation, to close it by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it on screen off, to set the shadow, the start and the end time, to use it in a pocket mode, and to disable the AOD option during the calls. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.